Hi, everybody. Welcome or welcome back to your favorite channel, The Unmuted Mic. I am your host, Pooja, back with yet another episode that remained untouched or just slipped under the carpet. But before we get started, in my last episode, I left you all with one deep question. Hang on, haven't watched my last episode? Please go and visit the Unmuted Mic and listen to the last episode where I asked you a question. When did confidence become gender biased? My beautiful people, I'm still waiting for your answer or thoughts in my comment section. With that, let's get started with our today's episode on societal contradictions. Didn't get me right? I want to ask you all a question. What is society trying to hide and what is it trying to normalize? Didn't get me right? Hang on. Before I break the ice again, I want you all to listen to this by my favorite, the Shashi Tharoor, who has thrown light on the societal paradoxes. And listen to this.
India is the only country in the world where you can piss in public but can't kiss in public. And that's also part of us, part of the paradoxes of our society. And as a woman pointed out, ours is the only country where it's dangerous to talk to strangers but okay to marry one.
Let's go ahead and break these. First example that I gave was pads versus cigarette. Sometimes periods, sometimes no, actually periods are something very natural, biological, but still sanitary napkins are wrapped around the newspaper, black color plastics, passed discreetly. but as cigarette बड़े बड़े अक्षरों में लिखा जाता है, धूम्रपान सेहत के लिए हानिकारक. हम लोग आजकल तो वो ओपनली मांगते हैं. हम लोग तो इनफैक्ट बोलते हैं भैया 2 सिगरेट देना, 3 सिगरेट देना. Isn't it? One is natural, the other is harmful. So why are we hiding the normal ones and normalizing the harmful ones? Have you thought about this? If not, give it a thought now. And kissing in the public, we are showing affection to our loved ones. And that makes something very uncomfortable for people. In fact, peeing in the public should make people uncomfortable. It's the other way around. But these are all the norms that we have accepted because society has accepted it, because we are not questioning the society. Now I feel it's high time. वैसे बोलने के लिए तो हमारे बचपन में हमें बोला गया था कि बेटा, बचपन में क्या, आजकल भी हम लोग बोलते हैं एज अ मदर, इवन आई टेल माई डॉटर दिस, बेटा डू नॉट टॉक टू स्ट्रेंजर्स. बट वो जो मैट्रिमोनी साइट्स है वो सारे स्ट्रेंजर्स है, शादी.com एंड व्हाट नॉट, सारे स्ट्रेंजर्स है. दैट्स ओके टू गेट मैरिड. वी आर नॉट क्वेश्चनिंग मम्मी पापा ने लड़के ढूंढ लिया या फिर लड़की ढूंढ ली, चलो शादी कर लेते. Aren't they strangers? They are, isn't it? We are okay to spend the rest of our lives with that stranger. I just have one thought in my mind, or I just have one question rather for all of you all that came around or came across when I saw the video. These are just so random rules, aren't they? When did this become normal? Why did we start accepting these norms? I certainly believe that these are, not the rules, but these are conditioning. What to hide, what to accept, what to question, and what never to talk about. What do you feel? These are normal things? No, they are conditioning. We have normalized things without even asking question. Why? We have simply accepted this in the name of culture and silence as a respect. Because just something that is common or it's been accepted publicly is not always right. So my beautiful people, Let's not blindly go and follow these rules. Rather, let's start questioning them. Because I always believe one thing, that society does not change when you are quiet, but it definitely changes when you speak up. With that, I would love to know what your thoughts are right here in my comment section. Leaving that thought in your mind, your host Pooja is signing off, and we'll be back with yet another interesting topic that remained untouched and slipped under the carpet. So, my beautiful people, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, and give lots and lots of like, because that's going to be my motivation for my next video. Bye bye. See you again.